Good afternoon. Now we are going to discuss the video solution for test paper 13 NEET biology. So question number 1, dialyzing unit, that is artificial kidney content, a fluid which is almost same as plasma except that it has, okay, so C will be right option, no urea, because that is to be extracted. Question number 2, B will be right option. Then question number 3, which of the following statement is correct? Okay, तो straightway जो correct statement है that will be option D. Bowman's capsule and glomerulus together constitute renal capsule. Yeah, it is also called as Malpighian body. Now question number 4. Question number 4, D will be right option. Then question number 5, C will be right option. C will be right option. Then क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 मसल स्लाइडिंग थ्योरी से रिलेटेड है, तो ए विल बी राइट ऑप्शन. ए विल बी राइट ऑप्शन. ओके, नाउ मूविंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, डी विल बी राइट ऑप्शन, तो इनकरेक्ट मैच. पीसीटी लाइन बाय स्ट्रैटिफाइड कॉलमनर एपिथेलियम, दैट इज रॉन्ग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 का सी विल बी राइट ऑप्शन 1 and 2. Then 9, again identify the parts. So 9 का correct option होगा C. Then question number 10, which of the following statements is incorrect? Okay, तो D will be right option. And 11 का answer होगा A. 11 का A will be 1 and 3 are correct. Now question number 12. Question number 12, A will be right option. Juxtaglomerular apparatus is made up of. So juxtaglomerular cells, macula densa and lysis cells. Question number 13. A, both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Question number 14, when a person consumes alcohol, there is an increase in rate of urine flow. It is due to. Okay, तो 14 का सही आंसर होगा B, that is decrease in level of ADH. Okay, now question number 15, so 15 C will be right option. Question number 16, read the following statements and fill the gaps correctly. Okay, तो 16 का सही जवाब होगा option D. Question number 17, again B will be right option. Okay, correct match. Thank you. Moving to next question, that is question number 18. If Henel's loop were absent for mammalian nephron, which one of the following is to be expected? Okay, so 18 का D will be right option. The urine will be more dilute. Then 19, correct option will be option D. 20, select correct sequence of urine formation. Okay, तो 20 का सही जवाब होगा option B, filtration, reabsorption and secretion. Then 21, D will be right option. D will be right option. Okay, water absorption occurs in. Then 22, C will be right option. And 23, B will be right option. B will be right option. Now 24. Moving to 24, C will be right option. 25, again C will be right option. The part of the kidney present between two medullary pyramids is called, that is renal column of Bertini. Okay, so 26, C will be right option. You have to identify the parts. Okay, then 27, right answer will be D, option D. Joint between adjacent vertebrae is a fibrous joint. Okay, that is correct. Moving to next question, that is question number 28. So 28, in a person the glomerular filtration rate is decreased. The most probable result is. Okay, तो 28 का सही जवाब होगा. Renin is secreted by JGA and GFR becomes normal again. 29, read the following statements and select the correct option. तो 29 का सही जवाब होगा option C. Actin is present in thin filament. Okay, then 30. Which of the following organs serves as the main excretory organ of aquatic vertebrate? Okay, so 30 में C will be right, that is mesonephros. 31. 31 A will be right option, increase in aldosterone level. 32. Which of the following groups contain uricotelic animals? Uricotelic, that is uric acid excretion. So 32 A will be right option, reptiles, birds, land snails, insects. 33 D will be right option. Okay, then moving to question number 34, that is human urine contents. Okay, so 34 A will be right, 95% water and 2% urea. Then question number 35 B will be right option, that is tropomyosin thin filament, that is correct match. And 36 A will be right option, that is both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Moving to question number 37, how many of the following animals are uricotelic? ओके, तो जो एनिमल दिए हैं उनमें से कौन कौन यूरिक एसिड को एक्सक्रीट करते हैं? तो ए का सही जवाब होगा इसका 37 का ए विल बी द राइट ऑप्शन. ओके, देन 38 द ह्यूमन वर्टिब्रा इज बी विल बी राइट ऑप्शन, Acillus. Okay, 38 B. Then question number 39 A will be right option. 39 का A will be right option. Question number 40 का सही जवाब होगा ऑप्शन D again, pelvic girdle. 41 in human beings the second cervical vertebra has. तो 41 का सही जवाब होगा C, odontoid process. Then H-shaped excretory cell is found in. Okay, so 42 A will be right answer. 43 diagram is given, so 43 correct answer will be option B, NaCl, NH3 at PCB. Okay, so moving to next question, that is question number 44. So 44 B will be right option, the effective renal filtration pressure that causes blood to filter and formation of filtrates. Okay, so 44 का right answer is B, that is glomerulus blood hydrostatic pressure. Okay, osmotic pressure plus renal capsular pressure. Okay, question number 45. Okay, again you need to identify. Okay, तो 45 का सही जवाब होगा A, clavicle, humerus, radius and carpals. Okay, bones. Then 46 C will be right option, ascending limb of anal loop. 47 countercurrent mechanism, kidney से related, nephron से related. तो 47 का D will be right option, complete anal loop and vasa recta. Then 48 का करेक्ट आंसर होगा, दैट इज़ अ डी, रेनिन. बी के लिए सोडियम. 49 करेक्ट मैच, तो डी विल बी राइट. ओके, वाइट फाइबर्स, लेस मायोग्लोबिन एंड माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 50, सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट मैच. तो 50 का सही आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी. 51 डाइकॉन्ड्लिक बोन इज फाउंड इन. तो 51 का सही जवाब होगा सी, दैट इज मैमल्स एंड एम्फीबियंस. देन 52 स्टेटमेंट 1 and 2 आर गिवन एंड करेक्ट ऑप्शन चुनना है. तो 52 का करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा, दैट इज डी, बोथ स्टेटमेंट 1 and 2 आर इनकरेक्ट. मूविंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 53. ओके, तो 53 का ए विल बी राइट ऑप्शन, मसल स्लाइड थ्योरी है. ओके, तो उसका डायग्राम है, तो ए विल बी करेक्ट ऑप्शन. 54 नंबर ऑफ phalanges और phalanges बोन इन ईच लिम्ब आर. ओके, तो ये तो 2 + 3 3 3 3. ओके, तो 54 ए इज़ करेक्ट ऑप्शन. देन 55 का अगेन बी विल बी राइट ऑप्शन. एंड 56 अपेंडिकुलर स्केलेटन इंक्लूड्स. तो अपेंडिकुलर में लिम्स वगैरह आ जाएंगे. तो 56 का डी विल बी राइट ऑप्शन, क्लाविकल, रेडियस, पटेला. ओके, तो ये अपेंडिकुलर में आ जाएंगे. ओके, मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 57. ओके, So 57 D will be right option, that is the correct statement. Repeated activation of muscles can lead to lactic acid accumulation. 58 select the correct match. So 58 B will be right option. Okay, 58 B will be right option. 59 59 59 D will be right option. 60 D will be again right option. All of these, the human cells exhibit which type of movement? The amoeboid, ciliary and muscular. Then 61 का correct option will be A, match the following. And 62 peritoneal dialysis. Okay, so 62 B will be right one. The blood is not removed from the body and natural filter is used. 63 the correct option will be D. Okay, myosin filaments are found in A band of sarcomere. Now moving to next question, that is 64. Okay, select incorrect match. तो उसका D will be right option, femur leg bone longest. Then 65 during the resting state of muscle fiber tropomyosin partially covers. Okay, तो 65 का सही जवाब होगा C, myosin binding sites on actin. 66 hematuria refers to, okay, तो heme that is blood, तो hematuria that is 66 का सही जवाब होगा A, that is RBCs in urine. 67 consider the following statement and blanks भरने हैं. तो 67 का B will be right option, clavicle, scapula, tetany. 68 transport of urea into interstitial fluid is done by. तो यूरिया का ट्रांसपोर्ट कौन करवाता है? तो D will be right option, collecting duct from nephron. Then 69 okay, किडनी का वर्टिकल सेक्शन दिया, VS दिया है and you need to label. तो 69 का B will be right option. And 70 fill up है, तो 70 का C will be right option. Now moving to next question, that is question number 71. Okay, तो 71 जो है, okay, a person is undergoing prolonged fasting. His urine would contain abnormal quantities of, okay, so 71 D will be right option, ketones. Okay, then 72 C will be right option, peritoneum. 73 D will be right option, floating ribs, 2 pairs, 11 12. Okay, 74 again D will be right option. All of these kidney stones may consist of तो calcium oxalate, calcium phosphate and steroid stones or cystine stones. 75 correct option will be B. Then 76 statement 1 and 2, so 76 A will be right option, both statement 1 and 2. 77 vasopressin से related है, तो C will be correct answer. 78 two vertebrates which are osmoconformers are, okay, तो 78 का सही जवाब होगा C, hagfish shark. Okay, now question number 79. Within the loop of funnel, urine is concentrated in the, तो concentration of urine कहाँ पर होता है? तो 79 C will be right option, hairpin bend between the descending and ascending limb. Okay, यहाँ पर concentration होगा. Okay, तो C is the right option. Then question number 80. Ionocytes in the gill membrane of fishes is for, okay, so 80 C will be right option, that is active intake of salts and elimination of excess salt. Then 81 cellophane membrane used in a hemodialysis machine is not permeable to, okay, so 81 का सही जवाब होगा ऑप्शन B, that is it is not permeable to plasma proteins. 82 का राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन A, vein and antiheparin. 83 longest loop of funnel is found in, तो 83 longest loop, that is A, kangaroo rat. Okay, then 84 Titin filaments bind the, okay, so 84 titin filament C, okay, C, thin filaments of thick filament, okay, so that is the answer. 85, in the presence of vasopressin the greatest fraction of the filtered water is absorbed in, तो 85 का करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा डी, ओके, डी विल बी राइट ऑप्शन, कलेक्टिंग ट्यूब्यूल. 86, glomerular filtration is auto regulated by, तो 86 का करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा अगेन डी, ऑल द अबव, ओके. And 87, excretion of potassium is governed primarily by, तो 87 का सी विल बी राइट ऑप्शन, पोटेशियम सिक्रीशन in distal convoluted tubule, okay. Coming to last part of the paper, that is question number 88, okay. So 88 question है, that is which of the following bones form a link between axial and appendicular skeleton, so clavicle, that is the answer, okay. 88, B will be option. Then 89, which one of the following is not part of renal pyramid, okay, तो renal pyramid का part कौन नहीं है, so that is B, convoluted tubule, okay. Then match the following, last question 90, so B will be right option, okay. Thank you.